Say more English.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I'm looking for a book for my dad.
Sure. Is it a gift for him?
Yes, it's a gift.
What kind of book does he like?
He likes detective stories.
Does he like classic stories or modern stories?
He likes modern stories.
Does he like short books or longer books?
He likes shorter books.
Does he like scary stories?
No, he doesn't like scary stories.
Do you know any detective books he has read before?
I'm not sure, and I don't remember the titles.
No problem. We can choose a popular one.
That sounds good.
How old is your dad, if you don't mind me asking?
He is 77.
Okay, would a large print book be better for his eyes?
Yes, large print would be great.
Great, I recommend this large print detective book.
What is it about?
It's about a missing person and a smart detective.
That sounds interesting.
It's easy to read and not too scary.
Perfect. How much is it?
It's $15.
Okay, can you suggest another one too?
Sure, this one is also a detective story, and it's very popular.
Is it part of a series?
Yes, but you can read it as a single book.
Great, I'll take both.
Would you like a gift receipt?
Yes, please.
No problem, I'll ring these up for you.
Thank you for your help.